from Monday, you will have 100% EPT for a time being. You will have 100% of EPT package activation. So you need to understand me that because if you take the ECN withdrawal in Tezos wallet, you can take, no problem. It will be open. All right. But to integrate Tezos wallet in eOracle will take 4 or 5 days. Will take 4 or 5 days to integrate because you have TRC20 wallet, right? Now, can you understand how much work we have unnecessarily just because of this small problem? It was not a small problem, but unnecessarily we spent so much time and work to get your ECN TRC20 wallet. Now that is of no use. We have to integrate Tezos and ERC20 wallet. So you can take withdrawal. You have your independence. I'll show you how to take withdrawal. All right. But if you don't want to take, but you will not be able to use this ECN for the package activation because you don't have ECN Tezos wallet in your system yet. It will be in your system this week. The coming week, you will have ECN Tezos wallet and you will have ECN ERC20 wallet, both wallet, where you can deposit and you can convert them to crypto deposit wallet. All right. So 100% EPT option will be open until we don't come up with the wallet integration. So if you wish, you can withdraw. If you wish, you can keep your EPTs. Am I clear? Thank you. And this was the main reason we have canceled all the pending withdrawals of this week. This was the main reason of canceling your withdrawals of this week, so that the people who have already placed the withdrawal to their old TronLink wallet, we don't want you to have ECN which is of no use. You understand? So you can, if you want, I'm giving you the process. I'm showing you on proper training that you can take ECN withdrawal on Tezos, new ECN, but those ECNs you will have to keep. You have to sit with. You have to hold it until you don't have your wallet in eOracle or until your Bilex trading is going to be started. So Bilex trading will be started by the weekend. Oh no, Wednesday or Thursday. The wallet integration will be by the week, like Thursday or Friday, you will have the Tezos wallet integrated in eOracle. So the ECN which you are taking in your Tezos wallet, don't complain. You have to keep it there. You have for 4 or 5 days. Or you can keep your EPTs and you can have 100% of EPTs activation. From Monday, it will start. Your 100% of EPT activation from Monday, it will start. So you have both the options. It is your decision. I have told you that the transparency, how it's going to work. Am I clear now? All right. Thank you so much. This clarity is also there. Point number 5 is I'll repeat again before I close. I'll conclude it so that we get everything summarized. Now let's understand how to take ECN withdrawal on Tezos chain. Okay, because we don't want to say that we don't want to give withdrawal. All right. So we go. Get ready. You have to go on the chain. All right. Their layer 2 has not yet launched. I mean, it's launched, but not public. It is not on GitHub. It is not somewhere else. Okay. This is why we have developed our ECN token is developed by Tezos team, not by our team, because layer 2 open source is not available. So we must thank Tezos team for giving us the latest technology token on FA2. So FA2 means layer 2. It's made by Tezos team themselves, and very soon in next 2-3 months, Hubertus, who is the founder of Tezos Foundation, they are going to launch their layer 2 solution, and then it will be in market. Right now it's exclusive for you, so you have to select. This is additional information I wanted to, the latest chain. Okay, and then you have to give your contract address. Everybody has so you have to have your ECN smart contract address. You click here, Control V. Let me also give it to you on your panelist attendees. ECN, Tezos, smart address. Sent to you. Otherwise, you can take it from the website also, okay? And you can take it from the eOracle, ECN announcement channel and ECN chat channel. Anywhere, it's available everywhere. You can take it. You have to write down your smart contract address and you will have your coin, okay? With your website and everything, you have to click on add token. Your ECN is added in your account. You have to go back. And you have to come down and you will have ECN. All right, you will have your coin here in your wallet. You click here, you click on receive, you will have your address. So the people who are going to withdraw ECN this week, you have to give this address, your Tezos address, ECN Tezos address. Please, my last request, do not put ERC20, TRC20 address. Otherwise, you will again write in the group that it's been 4 days, my withdrawal has not come. And people will say, why? Then you will say, I'm sorry, I don't know. I have taken withdrawal to Tron chain. Please, if you are taking withdrawal, make sure you take withdrawal in your Tezos wallet. You click receive, you have this address, you copy this address, you paste this address, and you can take it to this address. Okay, or you can, yes, this is it. Swapping, we don't need swapping. We don't need decentralized exchange because we are already on centralized exchange by God's grace. All right, and we are very much away from the bots. So we will not go for decentralized exchange. Otherwise, again, the problem will arise. All right, so we don't have to go for the swapping. You have ECN on exchange, so you can do your trade, your buy sell from the exchange directly. So any withdrawal which you are taking from today till the cutoff, if you find it's you want to take, you take it. From tomorrow till cutoff, you please take it in your Tezos wallet. How to get the Tezos wallet? Go to it's not an application, so it will not come in your phone. Our DApp, our wallet is launching, which is an application for Android, for iPhone, for web, all 3 versions. You can download our application. Okay, that's not our application. It's a decentralized app, so we cannot say it's our application, but yes, developed by our company. So that's it. So you have to use Google Chrome. You have to download Temple Tezos Google extension. Once you download the extension, you have to create wallet. It's like MetaMask. It's like Tron Link. It's same. You have to create your wallet. Once you create the wallet, you have to go to, let me show it to you again one more time. You have to go to manage. This is the button. All right. You have to go to the just hang on. You have to go to the manage button. Once you're going to click on manage button, you have to click on add token, FA2, paste your address, and then you will see this, everything, add token, and it will be added. All right. Or if you don't want to do it for 3, 4, 5 days or 1 week, if you have the patience and if you can use the EPT, because you have to again download our wallet, which is more secure. There is a bridge, and it's our pleasure also to have our users on the wallet. All right. So because that is an application that will come in your phone, you can have like Tron Link, you can have in your phone, right? So if you don't want to go through this hectic process, you can use your EPT. If you want to go through this, you can go through this. I just want easy road for you, whatever you select, it's your choice. All right. And you can add, you can take your receive address, paste, and you can do it. It will happen from, uh, if you do it right now, it will not take place, because right now we have validator in ECN TRC20 wallet, which validates your wallet address. If you remember, it says your wallet address is wrong. So if you will put Tezos wallet address there, it will say it is wrong. So after, let's say after midnight, we will remove the validation, okay? So that it will accept your Tezos wallet. If you right now will do it, it will say error. All right, am I clear? I know, my friend, these technologies, and it looks like very uh, things. Oh my God, I don't understand. It's too much. But you are learning very basic things. These are the basics: MetaMask, chains, wallet creation, adding the token, swapping, transferring, send, receive, trade. These are the basics of cryptocurrency. So you should be happy that you are learning these things while earning. People pay to learn these things. All right, clear? Thank you. Moving to the point number 6. From Monday morning, you will have 100%, after Monday cutoff, you will have 100% master wallet option also. And this option will be available until you don't have Tezos wallet integrated. Very simple. You can use your ECN also, which you have in your ECN TRC20 wallet. If you don't want to use your EPT, it is up to you. All right. So everybody has deposited ECN to ECN TRC20 wallet. You can convert it to EPT, and you can take it to your crypto wallet. All right. From crypto wallet, you have crypto wallet to crypto wallet transfer option. You can send it to the other crypto wallet. I'm giving you solution till Monday, and this solution is there. Okay. You can use, so far you have only 40% validity of using the master wallet. From Monday cutoff, you will have 100% till the time of Tezos wallet integration. After that, it will be back to 40%. Okay. And also you can use ECN to activate the packages the way you have been doing, converting it to crypto wallet, from crypto wallet, sending it to crypto wallet, and then you can use your packages. This is clear, right? This thing is clear, very simple. Okay. Point number 7. Crypto wallet is a wallet for activation, not for upgrading the package. Please do not convert cryptos and take it to the crypto wallet for upgradation until we don't have this solution, because yes, we will give you solution of upgrading a package with the 60% also. It will come by next 2-3 days. It will also available. So the people who have EPT in your crypto wallet, and you have converted it to the crypto wallet for the upgradation, but you are not able to upgrade the package because of in upgrade you get only master wallet. Please wait for 2 days. You will have crypto wallet option there as well, and you will use that for the package upgrade. Clear? You will use that for package upgrade also. So just wait for 2-3 days. So many works are in process, and you will have that option. Don't worry. For upgrading, you will have crypto wallet in place in package upgrade also. You can use the balance you have for the upgrade. Point number 7, RPP. Okay, your Royal Pension Pool will open next week. Will open next week. And next week, our trading will start as well in Bilex. All right, it will start. The token will be swapped, and you will be able to start a trading. I believe my Wednesday Zoom, not Zoom, YouTube streaming, you will have this information. RPP is going to start next week. Get ready, okay? It's going to be very huge. Now, I wanted to talk to you for 2-3 minutes because I've been into the eOracle chat group also. though I don't operate eOracle chat group, but I'm there. And if I get some time, I go through the messages. And let me answer you. 90%, not 90, 95% of the people in the community are on a very positive side because they are able to see everything which is happening, which has never happened before. If you are doing something which has never happened before, definitely it's a different experience. Okay. In your eOracle chat group, there are many people who are even not a part of eOracle. Okay. They see your messages because it's an open group. Anybody can come and join. And they try to write things there. And let me tell you, after 9 days, we will complete 1 year. 1 year, which means 52 weeks. If your payout is delayed for 2 days or 3 days, and you also know the circumstances, you also know the reasons, you also know the system, the management, I and my team are trying to make sure that we should get out of this issue and we should work on our timeline because we are already behind our timeline. We have to get things ready by the 15th of August. Just because of this, on 11th of August, we are like 3 weeks behind. We dumped with the work, swamped with the work, no sleep, nothing. Just because of 2-3 days of delay, why you become panic? For what reason? A company who is paying you for 1 year will not pay you this week, will not answer you. You think about it yourself. Will make you lose, will make you poor. How many people we made poor in 1 year? How many people's money we have taken and eaten in 1 year? How many people lost money with us in 1 year? And see your answer. Why you panic for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour? Why? If you are unable to deposit ECN from your TronLink wallet to your ECN TRC20 wallet, why you panic? Do you think we don't know it? Or we will not address this? Or we will not work on this? Why do you think that you will be left alone? 3,000 people are here in this Zoom. When did you left alone? When you left alone? When we have not done everything and when we left you with no solution? Always. Anything, we know everything. Why you be so panic? I'm unable to deposit. It is not showing. Wallet is logged. My God, what will I do? For 1 minute, you even go on God. Go back and see, thank God for what you have achieved. At least after 1 year of journey, after look at your lifestyle, look at everything. I'm not saying that I have done this for you. I always say you have done so much for me, but look at you, look around, and then you will see a change. Then you will see a very everything happened good in last 11 months or whenever you have joined, regardless when you have joined. Nobody has lost even a single penny. 3, 4 days, 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, the top projects of the globe, it happens. Things cannot run just every single hour the very same way. These obstacles, they make you better. They make you stronger. We need to take these things. What happened? If you don't get your withdrawal for 3 days, what's going to happen? Is nobody answering you? Is your website is not opening? Is you don't see any activity? What happened? Who ran away? And if you are unable to transfer 150 ECN, why you panic? Next 15 days is our test of our patience. okay? And we have been doing everything to make sure that your business, your sales, your downlines, your investors, your people should be not bothering you, and you should be focusing on more sales. You should be focusing on more income. And we have been successfully delivered you everything we promised. So please don't panic. Everything gonna address. Anything, if you have any issue, just don't worry. Just relax. Talk to your immortal, send him the issue and relax. No worry. All right, so please, it's 1 year now. Come on. All right, so have your emotions and have your morale high. You have already given the money. You have already trusted the system. Now, if you have trusted before, now it is easy, okay? It's very simple. We have very big things going on. Please look around and see what is going on. Beyond just one transaction, which if not right now, then probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we're gonna fix it for you. Look beyond it. Why we are working on all these things? You need to get this answer. For what? Why we have been creating all this social media, news channel, Unicast, CoinMarketCap? Why? For what purpose? We can also run this company as a network marketing company. Why we are investing so much money and power and resources and time to give you one good news, to give you one good announcement. We work for days and hours to give you one good announcement. Why we are doing it? So that we achieve what we think, right? So keep your things and don't panic, please. By the time our management is here, our leaders are here, I am here, you're gonna lose nothing.